Hi, my name is Nahid Sarwar. I'm a web analytics expert. I provide web analytics and digital marketing services for my client. I love to share my experience about web analytics, digital marketing, and digital skill in this channel. So learn more to subscribe my channel. So let's start our topics today.
In this video, we will learn how to create a Facebook pixel and set up your WordPress website using plugin option. So first you have to create a Facebook Business Manager account, and first you have to come Meta Business Suite. You can click the setting option. Click here. When you click setting option, you come to this page. You can see data source. We can create a pixel from dataset. Previously, we can create a pixel from pixel option, but recently we can create a pixel from dataset is option. Or you can come to business setting, come here, and you can click the data source. You can see, and pixel has a new location. What is dataset? So we can create a pixel from dataset. So I want to create a pixel for my this e-commerce website. So I come to dataset and add here. First we have to name a dataset. That is our pixel name. So I give my website name because that easy to find out which pixel. I copy this website link and paste here the my website name. My website name is a NSR collection, so I just name NSR collection. This is my pixel name. Now click create option. Now my pixel account is created. Now Facebook asks me, can you create a pixel for metapixel or conversion API? No, I only created metapixel. So I click metapixel. So click here and next. Now we can install your Facebook pixel and connect to your website two way. One is manual, another is partner integration. We use partner integration using plugin for our WordPress website. So we click the partner option. You can find out many website partner options like Wix, WordPress, Shopify, Drupal, BigCommerce. There are many. You can find out your own website platform. So my website is e-commerce website, WordPress e-commerce website. So my platform is WooCommerce. So I click WooCommerce. Just wait. Now Facebook give me instruction how to connect the with e-commerce website with my Meta Pixel. So there are many steps. You can see. First, we have to install plugin in our website. So we download the plugin from the here. Just to see the process, what the step. First, you have to download the plugin and install the plugin in our website panel. So I can back and download this plugin. I can come to my WordPress login panel, admin panel. Come to the plugin section and add a new plugin. Click here. Then I upload a plugin which I download from now. Choose now. So I upload the plugin which are downloaded. So open. Now click install now. Now activate the plugin. Now we find out the Facebook for WooCommerce. Click configure. Now we connecting our Facebook with our website. So click here. So Facebook asks me connecting with my Facebook account. So I click continue with my Facebook account. Now Facebook again asks me connect WooCommerce integration with Facebook. So click next option. Then connecting. Now Facebook asks many options like my business manager, Facebook page, pixel, ad account, all this setup. So first I connect my business manager. There are many business manager accounts from here. I just connect my this business manager account. Now next. Now I connect my Facebook page. So there are many page in my Facebook account. So I connect this page. Then next. Then connect my Instagram account. So I chose a Instagram account. Then I create and then I connect a catalog. So I have no catalog. So I create a new catalog for this website. So create a new catalog. New click here. So my catalog name is NSR new website product. So this is my catalog name. Then next, then I chose my ad account. Who is ad account connected from for this pixel? So I use this ad account. Then next, then choose the pixel. This pixel create I just now. So I just connect this pixel with this website. So click here. So you can see I set up my business manager, Facebook page, Instagram account, catalog, ad account, pixel, all are connected and chose this option. And also you can set up the automatic advanced matching, this option. Automatic advanced matching that help you when someone purchase your any product, Facebook automatically track some data like your email, gender, phone number, date of birth. This address Facebook track when someone purchase product from your website. That's help you to even match quality. So now continue. Now again, just check this option and next. Now linking my account, my Facebook account connected with my website. Just wait. Now Facebook say you are all set. So I think everything is done. So I click done option. Now click here, just redirect with your website. You can see my Facebook pixel connected with my website. Here you can see this is my page ID and this is my pixel ID, my catalog, my business manager, ad account, all see here. So now I save this option. So we connect pixel with our website. So how to check is it pixel working? We can check the pixel two way. First, you have to come your website and download a Chrome extension, Meta Pixel Helper. Download this Chrome extension. When you download this Chrome extension, you can see my pixel is already connected. You can see my pixel ID is last ID is 87. If you come to my pixel option, you can see this my pixel ID is 87. That means our pixel is already connected. So if I buy some product or click, then what activity is done? So I click this product. You can see this product is open, just view content is open. There are some information come, product category, product ID, product name, product price, currency, value, all information is tracking. So if I add to cart this product, then you can see this tag is fire and we can find the contact ID, content name, content type, price, currency, value, everything is tracking. So I think our Facebook pixel track data correctly. This data is very important for your create a dynamic ad and run your Facebook ad. So when you create a Facebook pixel, you should check this option. So I click the checkout option and you can see initial checkout also check. So I think our Facebook pixel working correctly. You can check your Facebook pixel another way. If you don't install this, if you come to your Facebook pixel option, you can see open in event manager, click here. When you come to event manager, you can see these are pixel. You can see there is no activities from here because this pixel is new. When 2-3 days later, you can see the more data information, event, event match quality, and more data you can see from here. But you can test now how is pixel working. So you click the test event, scroll down. I just checked some time ago, so there are some activities. So I clear the activity. Now scroll down, confirm the event correctly. Click here. Now give your website link and open your website link. Now I buy again a product. Now I add to cart. If you come to event manager, you can see there are many activities from track here. You can also check here is your pixel working. You can find out the product ID, product name, product value, all data is coming here. Then you can understand your pixel is working with your website. So if you set up your Facebook conversion API or Facebook pixel with your goal tag manager, I have many video in my YouTube channel. Or if you need any kind of help, you can contact with me. I working for many clients around the world to provide digital marketing, web analytics, Facebook pixel conversion API, Google tag manager, and many kind of services. So see you in next video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.